Hi Hadu, today I'm going to draw a flying bird in a different style. Let's start the drawing from the left side. So for the first, we're going to draw the wings, then another wings you can see here. This is like a half circle you can see here. Now we can put something like a dots here to outline where we're going to draw the feathers. The long feathers we're going to put here. Okay. So this is like the icon of a bird. All right. Usually, the icons, those becomes like a solid color, and solid color, the structure defines the shape. All right. So these two border lines we are going to fill up after we do the outlines. Okay. So you can see the feathers coming from the top. All right, so few lines we can see here like this, and this line is extended here up to this point. Another symbol you can see in the bottom, it's like a separate segment. Okay, so you can see it's a nice shape. All right, now we're going to fill up the structures inside the parallel lines. All right, let's put the purple color because the imagination has no limits. So the purple colors you can see for the body. And pink colors you can see for the wings. Definitely you can see this is a very colorful bird I'm drawing right now. So you can see the pink color going on. Also putting pink color this side too. Okay. In the beginning, we're going to put the purple outlines. And pink outlines to the feathers. Okay. Pink outlines to the feathers. All right, and the green outlines here in the middle. So you can see the green outlines here. And the greens in the bottom. All right, let's put the green color. All right, so yellow color we're putting for the whole body. All right, so I'm going to fill up the white parts with the yellow color. So you can see the colorful birds flying in the sky. Very nice. Only few strokes of blue we are going to put to show a dynamic effect while the bird is flying. All right, so this is a nice presentations of the bird. You can see. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.